So here students, you are the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B Standard 2nd. Okay. So here students, today's topic is, first of all, let's we know about our subject. Today's subject is physical education and topic is preamble. Topic is what? Preamble. Okay. Now, while first know about preamble, just see what is preamble. Okay. So see here students, a preamble is an introductory statement of a constitution which lays down the ideals it attempts to promote. A preamble to an act of parliament gives its reasons and purposes and lays down the aims and objects for which a particular act has been passed. The idea of the preamble has been borrowed from the Constitution of the USA. The Constitution of the Republic came into effect on 26 January 1950. As an introduction, it is not a part of the contents, but it explains the purpose and objectives with which the document has been written. So is the case with the preamble to the Indian Constitution. Okay. As such, the preamble provides the guidelines of the Constitution. The preamble, in brief, explains the objectives of the Constitution in two ways. One, about the structure of the governance, and the other about the ideals to be achieved in independent India. It is because of this the preamble is considered to be the key of the Constitution. Now, let us see our Constitution of India preamble. So, read along with me students, the Constitution of India preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. You have to read and write in your Play to Learn notebook, students. Thank you and have a nice day, students.